My name is Cassandra Suchodolski. I'm a broadcasting student at Mount Royal University, and I currently have a job at Mtek Digital. Well, I really like all of the Google functions, the Drive, the documents, everything. It's easy for me to share the things that I make, because though I really love making videos and editing, my passion is writing. So the things that I write, I get to share them immediately with all of my friends, and they can throw their comments on with videos too. It's lovely. I love to share the content that I make. There aren't a lot of apps that I use that aren't games, to be quite honest. For the most part, my phone is just communication, but I use the same things on my phone. I can access my Drive and I can share videos or writings with people that I've just met if they want to read it right now. It's nice to have access to all of these things whenever I want to. I know a lot about cameras, but to be honest, it's my least favorite part of filming. I prefer the directing and the producing side of things, the editing side of things. The only problem is having the skills to execute the vision, and that's where it comes to looking up tutorials and fiddling around in these programs like Premiere, like After Effects, to figure out how to make what I see in my mind. For the most part, I find the forums for the program that I'm using. I look at those and I see other people who are trying to make the same thing that I am, and different ways of solving the problem is a step-by-step I can just glance at while I'm figuring it out. I personally like it better than videos, because videos you have to go back in order to double check. I like the itemized lists is definitely easier for direction for me, but YouTube is still useful for other types of tutorials. I definitely want to learn more about graphics, because I have lots of ideas for graphics and cool scenes that I need to know a lot of special effects things for. So getting to know how to use those kinds of programs, not just After Effects, but more complicated ones in the future, will help me bring to life what I see in my mind, and that's really all this is about. All this is really working towards someday turning one of the stories that I have into a video project, be it a TV show or a movie, whatever it comes together to being a web series. Getting these skills together is just broadening my creative horizons, and that's what it's all about. I just want to get my stories out there through whatever medium I decide they need to be in.